This is Nick with a quick Excel tip for you. Let's say you wanted to restrict a cell where you can only enter a date in that cell. So right now I can pretty much type whatever I want in here and it'll let me. What if you want to restrict the user so they can only put a date? So what you'll do is you'll go to data, data validation, under allow, go down to date, and then set up the conditions of what kind of date. Like you could do greater than or equal to, if you wanted to do today's date. So that'll change with the date. So today is March 22nd. If I put in 21st, it does not let me. If I do 22nd, it does. If I try to put in something else, I get an error. So it's restricted to the date. And you can even do a little more with this. Like you would say, must be a date. So error message, you can change like the symbol and say must enter a date after today or something. So now if a user clicks on the cells, now they know, oh, it has to be a date. And then if they screw it up, error message, then must enter date after today. So that's pretty cool. So you can change it to different things, like if you want to do between, you could say must be between the start of the year and the end of the year. So if you do 5-1, it works. If you try to do next year, it says nope. So there, that's how you do it. That's how you limit the entries of a cell as just a date. So I hope that was a good tip for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more Excel tips.